Hello, welcome to our classes. I'm Dr. K.K. Mishra. This video tutorial is on multiple choice questions on human resource management. This is part 18. Welcome to the questions. Number 1. Performance appraisal objectives include A. Organization objectives, B. Feedback, C. Both A and B, D, all. The correct option is D, all. In fact, all A and B is no option, so correct option should be even B also in this. 2. Who will appraise the employee while performing a job? A. Supervisors, the peers and self-appraisal. C. Subordinate and user of services. D. All. The correct option is D. All. 3. Performance appraisal helps in A. Training. B. Performance appraisal. C. Both A and B. D. All. The correct option is C. Both A and B. 4. Performance appraisal methods classify in A. Individual evaluation method. B. Group evaluation method. C. Other method. D. All. Here correct option is D. All. 5. Often who is higher up the organization and who can provide careers, advice and support to less senior person. Correct option is B. Mentors. 6. The dimension of employee's problem with a view to help the employee cope with it. A. Careers. B. 360 degree. C. Counseling. D. All. The correct option is C. Counseling. 7. Effects by employees to obtain higher by portraying an image decided by the supervisors. Correct option is A. Impression management. 8. The loss of employees who quit the organization for various reasons is known as attrition. Correct option is B. 9. Present performance is determined by learn from. Correct option is B. Supervisory evaluation. 10. Jobs are linked between the people and the organization. Correct option is A. 11. Job enlargement expands the number of related tasks in the correct option is A. Job. 12. The appraisal process is designed by correct option is A. Personnel department. 30. Management function of personnel management is A. Personnel planning, B. Personnel organization, C. Controlling, D. All. The correct option is D. All. 14. Utility of job analysis includes. Correct option is A. B. Work study. 15. Which of the following are the internal sources of recruitment? A. Promotion, B. Trainee, C. Transfers, D. All. The correct option is D. All. 16. That is the act for increasing the knowledge of people for a specific purpose. The trainees acquire new skill, knowledge and technical ability. Correct option is A. Train. 17. Dash improves the performance of the employees on present job and prepares them taking up new assignment for future. Correct option is A. Training. 18. Dash is the activities that prepare an employee for future responsibilities. Correct option is development. 19. Need and importance of training includes A. Increased productivity, B. Less supervision and wastage, C. Higher employee morale, D. All. The correct option is D. All. 20. Systematic movement of workers of one job to another is known as job rotation. Correct option is. So this was all about this particular video tutorial. I hope that you have liked it, and if you have liked it, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel or classes and press the bell button and pass it on to others, those who are needed now and in the future. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Best of luck.